Hi, this is MLB fan. I'm making a unboxing for a package that came in the mail today. Here we go. Alright, so we got 2013 World Series champs, Boston Red Sox. You got the patch right here. You got the Boston B in red and white. You got all blue, size 8. You got the blue button, total new era in blue. Indented Bannerman, white, blue, and red. Gray under, black sweat, genuine merchandise, new era, size 8. Let's try this on. Oh, and the MLB sticker right here. Let's try it on. Show a little patch action right here. And that's my unboxing for Boston Red Sox 2013 World Series champs hat. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.